Good morning students. Welcome to Mount Literacy School. In this video we are going to learn about data block or variable in advanced Scratch programming. Okay, last video we have learned how to take input from user and store it in answer block. To use it for letter purpose or processing purpose, we have to take variables. So in this video we will discuss about variables. Okay, creating variable, what is variable? Okay, now first of all, what is variable? The variable blocks allow you to create variables and use them in a program. The variables can store numbers or strings, sequence of characters. A variable can be created such that only one of the sprites can use it or all sprites can use the variable. Okay, now first of all, just understand the concept of variable. Why should we use variable? If we want to hold some value for a particular period of time, then we should use variable. Okay, in previous video we have seen that we have asked two questions. We got two answers, but the second answer overrides the first one. We are not able to store it anywhere. So here we'll understand the concept of variable, how to create variable, how to store value in it. Okay, in other programs or other videos, we'll see how to use the values of variable. So what happens to input entered for the first question? Is it lost? I wish the computer can save the answer somewhere. Okay, in previous program we suffered the same problem. Sure, it can. Check out the variable block. So where is it? In script section, in data block, you will find this variable block. Here two options are there. Make a variable, make a list. When I click on make a variable, this dialog box will open. Okay, it will ask the variable name that you want, as well as it will ask you want to create that variable for all sprites or for this sprite only. Okay, if you have multiple sprites in program, then you have to select any one of the option. So now you know what is variable, what is the step, or what are the steps to create variables. Now when we create variable, it look like this. Okay, I have created one variable age and name. Okay, Tejas and Jyoti create variables called name and age. So here you can see two options are there, age and name. Then set age, change age, show variable, hide variable. All these are the options available when we create any variable. Letters, words or sentences are called strings in computer language. Okay, as I said that we can store strings also in variables. So what are strings? If we used to store letters, words or sentences, so that are called strings. Assigning values to a variable. Now we have created variable, how to assign value to it? Can we store a word in this variable? Yes. When a word is saved in a variable, it is called a string variable. I want to save answer in the string variable name. Check out the help for answer under the sensing block. If you want to save the current answer, you can store it in a variable. Okay, we are capturing the input in answer block. So that answer block we can use to set value to the variable. Here you can see these values are stored over here. Okay, the variables are set to the answer entered by the user. Now let's see this practically. How can we do this? See, this is your Scratch interface. Last time in last video we have created this program. Okay, asking one question, what's your name? I have put the answer in answer block and save for 2 seconds. Then another question is asked, what's your age? And we have stored the answer in answer block and display it for 2 seconds. But the problem was that here when we take answer here in second block, that first answer is lost. Okay, we cannot see here. So now I will make some changes in this program by taking a variable. Okay, now I want to create variable. I will click on make a variable block. Here one sprite is there. I want to create for one sprite only. So I will go for this sprite and will give the variable name. Okay, so here you can see name variable is created. Now its value is 0, nothing is enter here. Now I will click again, make a variable and create another variable for age. So as many values you want to store, that many variables you can take. Okay. Now you can see sprite1 name, sprite1 age. Okay, you can change the name of the sprite also from this sprite info box. Click on this sprite info. Here name box is there. You can change the name. Okay. See here name is changed for this sprite. Now I asked the question, I have stored the answer in answer. Now I want to save it in variable. So what I will do? Here I will drag this. Here in place of age I will select name. Okay. Set name to 0. I don't want to set name to 0. What I want as name, whatever answer or whatever input user entered through keyboard. Okay. So that temporarily I have stored in answer block. So what I will do? I will drag the answer block here. So what will happen when question is asked, what's your name and wait. Say answer for 2 seconds means whatever answer will be input from user will be stored temporarily in answer block. And that answer I have set to name variable. Now for this age also I will do the same thing. Okay, we set age to 0. This block I will drag, but in place of 0, what I will take? Answer block. Okay, so now whatever name I will enter or whatever age I will enter will be stored here and displayed here. Okay, now I will run the program. What is your name? Okay, see here Kitty is displayed. Then what is your age? Okay, so after displaying here, that age is also stored. So this is the use of variable. Okay, there are much more things are there to make your program effective. That are operators and conditional variable and many more. Okay, in this example, you have seen that we have asked two questions one after another and stored in the same answer block. To store answers, we have taken two variables, age and name. In next video, we will learn about operators and conditional statements to make your program more effective. Till then, practice this. Goodbye and thank you.